Selena Gomez engaged na kay Benny Blanco, forever begins now. Alright! Mukhang malapit nang ikasal ang American actress-singer na si Selena Gomez. Nag-propose na kasi sa kanya ang boyfriend na record producer na si Benny Blanco. Ang nakakakilig at exciting na balita ay ibinandera mismo ng singer sa kanyang Instagram page noong araw, December 12. Bukod sa sweet photos nila ni Benny, makikita rin na proud niyang ibinida ang engagement ring na may malaking diamond ring. Forever begins now, caption niya. Agaw pansin din ang naging komento ni Benny sa kanyang latest post na ang sabi ay, "Hey, wait, that's my wife." Kung matatandaan, last year lamang nang sinapubliko ng dalawa ang tunay na namamagitan sa kanila. Para sa mga hindi aware, nagka-collab na ang couple sa ilang hit song ni Selena, kabilang na ang Same Old Love at I Can't Get Enough. Noong Mayo, nag-open up ang international pop star patungkol sa kanyang plano habang hindi pa niya nakikilala ang producer. Nabanggit niya na nais nga raw niyang mag-ampon at maging isang single mom. "I was alone for 5 years and I got really used to it," say niya sa isang panayam with Time magazine. Paliwanag niya, "A lot of people are afraid of being alone, and I probably tortured myself in my head for like 2 years being alone. And then I kind of accepted it. Then I came up with my plan, which was that I was going to adapt at 35 if I had not met anyone." At that time din ay tila kiramdaman ni Selena na may mapupuntahan ang relasyon nila ni Benny. "It's really impressive and I just cherish every moment with him. I don't know what the future holds, but I do know that he's not going anywhere anytime soon." At yan ang totoo. Alright! Thank you for watching po. Para for more video. Salamat!